Hi Chelsea lovers, welcome back to No Life Without Chelsea channel. Please subscribe and like this video, thank you. Chelsea are reportedly involved in signing Gitten and Garnacho in the winter transfer window. In today's video, I'll be showing you how Chelsea will line up potentially with their winter transfer targets 2025. Enzo Maresca predicted goalkeeper after the winter transfer window, Robert Sanchez. Enzo Maresca is targeting Thomas Araujo from Benfica to become his centre-back after the January transfer window. The Blues are also in talks with Sporting CP to sign their centre-back Ousmane Diomande in the January transfer window. Enzo Maresca predicted left-back after the winter transfer window, Marc Cucurella. Enzo Maresca predicted right-back after the winter transfer window, James. Enzo Maresca predicted defensive midfielder after the winter transfer window in the English Premier League, Romeo Lavia. Musso Caicedo, Enzo Maresca defensive midfielder after the winter transfer window in the English Premier League. Kopama, Enzo Maresca attacking midfielder after the January transfer window in the EPL. Chelsea want to sign Gitten from Borussia Dortmund to be their left winger in the January transfer window under Enzo Maresca. Enzo Maresca's Chelsea are also targeting Alejandro Garnacho from Manchester United to be their right winger after the January transfer window in the English Premier League. Chelsea want to sign a prolific striker and are in talks with Juventus to sign Dusan Vlahovic. Thank you for watching No Life Without Chelsea. If you are new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Also like and share this video to your friends and loved ones. See you on my next video, Philip Blues. Thank you.